I was excited to talk about this one. So this is your Love is in the Air Tunic Sweatshirt. New for $59. Your 3 easy payments here are $19.67. It's A677834. Only order of the year with this one as well. Like new maybe a week ago.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is only your second time that you are seeing this, so shop for this now. Again, especially if you're looking for a fun shirt to wear for Valentine's Day, and it's cold outside.
Yes.
So I love the fact that it's a sweatshirt. It's still going to be cold on Valentine's Day, at least for the majority of us.
Yes, but it's not a thick, heavy sweatshirt.
No, it's definitely
just PS
not.
And by the way.
Okay, that's your French blue. Look how beautiful that is. All that gorgeous embroidery with those beautiful stones popping out. Here it is in the lilac ice. See, it's butterflies that make up the heart. I love the black. Wow, that's probably my favorite one.
Yeah.
And I'm kind of surprised by it.
It really stands out.
Yeah.
The detail really stands out.
Look how pretty that is. Extra, extra small to 5X. Only order of the year. Brand new, just launched a week ago. Second time it's been on air. Angel, I love that we're starting with this one.
Me too. So it's a tunic length, so it's a little bit longer, perfect with the jeggings that Monique is wearing, perfect with the joggers I'm wearing, or just your regular dream jeans. This is done in our 95.5, so 95% cotton, 5% spandex. This does not have a fleece lining. It is a little bit beefier than our 60% cotton, 40% polyester fabric that you might be used to. So just keep that in mind. So this is not, you know, to wear outside shoveling snow in minus 105 degrees.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, okay. So it's just shaped like a sweatshirt. If you wanted to wear a turtleneck or something underneath of it, you could go up a size just to give you a little bit more room.
Yep, little room.
If you want to. But the pièce de resistance, the detail that is Quacker, is this embroidered heart. But then
and butterflies.
As people come in closer into your personal space, you realize that the heart is created with a bunch of different butterflies, accented with heart-shaped studs, sequins, and rhinestones.
Yes.
Really beautiful. Now, for my Quackers that are hypersensitive to metallic thread, there's just a hint of metallic thread in here, but you could layer this over something so it's not touching your skin. You know, so you see the green is the metallic thread.
Yeah. The length, because it's tunic length, 28.5 inches to 34.5 inches long. So it does give you a little bit of coverage if that's what you're looking for. This is perfect. Like, you could be the person that's having that easy kind of Valentine's, you know, and so you throw this on with some leggings or the jeans that we have coming up with a cute little booty, you're done.
Yes.
You're done. And you're still having a little nod, though, you know, to our favorite day of the year.
Exactly. You know, so many of our Quackers purchase Christmas tops and they start wearing them the day after Thanksgiving all the way through till the end of the year. So you need an assortment.
It's true.
Of Valentine's Day tops, because I like to say,
people start February 1.
Thank you.
They do.
And I like to say, don't only keep your heart tops for February Valentine's Day, because we need to share the love.
I wear my heart necklace all year long.
There we go.
You know what I mean? Just, you can wear your heart motifs all year long. It's just you showing a way that you're emanating love and kindness. That's what I think of when I see hearts.
100%.
So not just for Valentine's Day, but Valentine's Day is coming.
Yes.
So if you want to wear it for Valentine's Day, we got you covered. And I love that each color tells a different story, right? Blue goes great with your denims and all of that. You still have that fun, gorgeous heart. So I think out of the two or the three, like the blue is one that I would totally see wearing all year round. The black, absolutely.
Yes, 100%.
Absolutely. That gorgeous lilac ice. I mean, I'm a big fan of purple, but I get that would lend toward Valentine's Day a little bit more. But listen, wear these shirts all year round because you're going to want to, especially when you get them home and you see how easily they match back with some of your dream jeans or anything else that you have like in your wardrobe. Like, look at that. That's easy. This is an easy Valentine's Day outfit.
100%.
Maybe, you know, you're volunteering at the kids' school.
Right.
And you just want to go and show up in something festive. It's a fun way to do it.
Absolutely, yes. And what I think that you can really show your love of butterflies with this as well.
Transformation.
Yes.
So I'm a big fan of butterflies.
Me
I
too.
talked about that before. When my daughter was born, I decorated her room in butterflies. I didn't even know that's what they meant. I had no idea until afterwards. I said, oh, very fitting that this is what I chose.
Love it.
So yes, butterflies mean transformation. So if that's you, maybe you're going through some sort of transformation, coming out of it, going into one. I love that idea of just blossoming and transforming. So that's really beautiful that the heart is in butterflies.
Yeah, or you want to send it to a friend who's doing something
That's
like
right.
that.
That's right.
This is perfect. I love QVC's Bill to Ship to.
Oh, that's
I
always
use
good.
it
We all do.
all the time.
We all do. I just
Right?
did it last hour during Gourmet
Yep,
Holiday.
there we go. There we go.
I did.
What did you
I
order?
hooked my aunt up. I got her some bacon.
Okay, nice.
I did it
with
oh,
the
and I got her
bagels.
some dumplings too. And I got her some dumplings.
I did it with the Just Bagels for Christmas. It's
good.
Send it to friends,
Listen,
right?
build to
Yep.
ship to. You can have this for any occasion. Doesn't necessarily have to be for Valentine's Day. It's, to me, hearts just symbolize love. They symbolize kindness.
Yes.
To me, they symbolize you wanting to exude those things. And it's a reminder of other people to exude those things too when you show it. You machine wash this. It says tumble dry inside out.
Inside, absolutely.
Inside
because
out.
there's so much detail. You have the sequins, you have the stones, and you have the heart-shaped studs.
Yeah.
This is another look at that interior, so you can
Done
see.
so well.
Really done beautifully.
Yeah.
And butterflies have been an important motif in our brand for 30 years come Tuesday, Monifa.
30 years on
30 years
Tuesday.
come Tuesday.
51. They were only looking for 50. That is a story right there.
amazing.
That's the lilac ice. Here it is in black, and I have it here in this beautiful French blue. Extra, extra small, 2 5X are your sizes, and that French blue was very popular. It's A677834, brand new, just launched a week ago. So something that's coming up in a